Wow, Santa sure is busy during the holidays. He learned this trick from the Easter Bunny. Aw, so that's where those chocolate Santas come from. But Christmas is better known for its toys. Like our new friend here, Pimple Pete. Get into those pores. For once, it's okay to squeeze zits. Ooh, there's even a few surprises in store. Okay. If you're gonna get worms, might as well be gummy worms. Some surprises might not be as nice. Can someone get Santa a towel? Or does he want cookies with all that milk? A flying ball? Seems pretty self-explanatory. It's like a one-person monkey in the middle. Let's just hope it doesn't fly away too high. Oh, hello. It's Donner. Or is that Blitzen? You know, just spinning's pretty fun too. A magic wand. I think Santa would make a great Hufflepuff. Let's make sure everything's in place. Ooh, this would be great for roasting chestnuts. Let's see if we can light up this birthday cake. So, yeah, who wants to go to Chuck E. Cheese? A Poo Slingshot? Well, get him ready for his maiden voyage. Let's try this out in the bathroom. It just seems kind of on brand. Wow, we've got a whole army of these guys, don't we? So who's up for a little reindeer games? Santa's backup plan for when the reindeer get sick. Make a reindeer. Our furry friend here is the perfect volunteer. In the meantime, we can have a fun tossing game. Frost spray for those green and gray Christmases. Okay, Santa, time to beat Princess Elsa at her own game. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. That's not Jack Frost nipping at the window pane. This'll really come in handy for Christmas in July. Too hot? How about we give this a good spritz? And soon, we'll make it an iced tea. Now it's time to give it a taste test. Wow, a robot that makes drawings for you. Just show it the image you want and watch it go. A few lines and squiggles soon becomes a penguin. If only it could color it in for you too. So cute. This one's going on Santa's fridge. But let's see what else it can do. Just give it a good look at your photo. Once again, it's going to start with a few basic shapes. It's beginning to look a lot like Santa. Well, sort of. At least it got his nose like a cherry, right? Here's a toy that needs no gift wrap. It's full of surprises. But let's start things off by cleaning her up. Talk about a blowout. It's a whole tornado. The toothpaste will add a minty fresh feeling. Time for a nice scrub. Now let's get you a brand new outfit. throw on a nice skirt, maybe add some accessories. Yeah, makeovers can take a lot out of you. Something tells me this isn't just a box. It can help you make your own customized ornaments. And it starts with the flip of a switch. Besides, Frosty the Snowman could use a new look, like adding some color. He's like a blank slate. He'll be over the rainbow when we're done. Things are already looking better. But let's add a few more decorations. 2 eyes of coal? A button or carrot nose? But the magic starts with that old silk hat.
Merry Christmas!
This star projector looks like that drawing robot's cousin. But wait until you see the big light show. I guess even elves need nightlights too sometimes. You can sleep under the stars right in your bedroom. Always nice when astronauts come to visit. With all these lights, Rudolph can take a break this year. This is no ordinary scarf. It comes with a special pocket. Let's add some secret hot chocolate inside. Make sure it's sealed nice and tight, and put it in the scarf. Some little elf really should have worn their jacket. But don't worry, this scarf should warm you up. And in more ways than one. But seriously, get a jacket. You'd really think Santa would have mastered flying objects by now. You know, the whole rain dog idea worked for the Grinch. Wish they would have saved me a slice. And to all, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Catch you next year.